pong sagot ninyo
Oo.
dun sa posisyon ng gobyerno na siya po ay isang fugitive?
Kapag tumatakbo po ang isang tao mula sa batas, kailangan po malinaw kung ano po ba yung batas na tinatakbuhan. Kung ang tinatakbuhan po niya ay local na batas, yun po, tama po, fugitive po siya. Pero pag ang tinatakbuhan niya po ay yung International Criminal Court that we do not recognize, no? And lalo na po yung arrest warrant which was not properly processed no, within the all applicable laws na mahaba pong usapan yan, then he cannot be a fugitive. Imagine a scenario where hindi na po dumadaan sa ating mga korte ang mga warrant ng international, no? Kapag nangyari po yan, kung sino na lang po yung nakaupo, pag may kalaban po sa politika, no? Kung kakasuhan dito, mahaba yung proseso sa piskalya, sa korte. Pero pag kinasuhan sa ibang korte, you just ship him out at maduduterte po yung kalaban nila. And that is exactly the evil that we're trying to avoid for the sake of the sovereignty of...
But let me answer you also, attorney. Why
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you coloring this with politics when the case here involves the drug war victims during the time that he was PNP chief? I think the facts are being twisted here and we're being confused that this is just politics. It's really a case that he is answerable to. That's why the country had to seek the help of the ICC because wala pong recourse ang mga victims dito sa Pilipinas. We want to listen to your arguments but they
Thank
don't
you.
seem
Thank you.
sound.
Give me some time.
I'm
No?
sorry to say. But
No,
why,
just give me
why are
some
you
time, no,
coloring it
because-
with politics?
We have inspected the journals of the RA 9851 and that is part of our comment. It's not an enforcement mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to define the crimes against humanity and other crimes to be codified here and to be tried here. Basahin niyo po. They all acknowledged that RA 9851 is not a surrogate arrest mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to criminalize those crimes here in the Philippines and to be tried here in the Philippines. Ang siguro po, sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso? Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno po, kasi po this is the people of the Philippines versus Bato.